La Fil, quick na meals, where we show you how to make exciting dishes using our range of La Filipina products. La Filipina offers different pastas, corn, pork, and luncheon meat. So let's start! Today's dish is linguine with shrimp and broccoli. We will be using La Filipina Linguine and La Filipina Classic Corn Pork. Let's start by sauteing some garlic. Then we add our La Filipina Classic Corn Pork. We'll give this a mix as well. Our kitchen is starting to smell really good. We can add in our broccoli. Season with salt. The next thing we're going to add is our shrimp. So let's mix this around. Now we deglaze with some white wine. Wow, it smells really good. For the secret of this dish, some grated lemon zest to make this dish really light and fresh. Then we can check and season with salt. Now we'll add in our cooked linguine. So we just cook this according to package directions. Now we're going to mix everything together. So be careful not to break the noodles and mix gently. So now our pasta dish is coming together. Wow. Let's garnish with some cheese and some fresh parsley. And our dish is now complete. So here's our finished linguine with shrimp and broccoli. Let's plate up. You can also use spaghetti and angel hair for this recipe. All La Filipina pasta are proudly made in the Philippines. So you can use our brand as your more affordable alternative to the imported brands because the quality is the same. Yan. So, lagyan natin ng broccoli and shrimp. So, we can put some cheese for garnish. Okay, we'll grate some more lemon zest on top for a nice finish and nice color. And garnish with some basil leaves.